Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash that weight and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock, price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block, riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Hustle hard in the morning light, shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, a dance we know, green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go, cash that weight and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate, stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
And good morning, everybody. Welcome to another live call. My name is Moji. We have today, as promised, we have DC, a TWA lead trader, and TWA funded trader, newly minted live trader, by the way, Cloud. Good morning, fellas.
Good morning, you guys.
Let's see here. Let's get DC on this right there. There you go. There's DC. Hi, DC.
Hey everybody, glad to be here. I hope everybody is ready for another fun-filled trading day. Let's hope the price action is in accordance with our feelings.
Perfect. Let me just lower this music a bit. Right there.
Yesterday
so
was kind of a mess. I hope everybody turned out green in the end.
Oh yeah. I was definitely bearish on the day. The bearish ping pong worked in my favor.
Didn't get any 100-point trades, but I got some.
Oddly enough, the only 100-point trade I had yesterday was at the Tokyo City session.
Oh, okay. Nice. You got the unicorn of the day, huh?
Yeah, I got the one trade that started probably like at 7 and ended at around 10.
Very nice, very nice.
Okay. I got a buy sign here. But I'll wait. We're almost at the open. All right, let's see. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So on the screen today, you're going to see what I call the hybrid chart. It has elements of DC setup. Remember, you can click on the link, go to the Discord, go to DC setups page. He has a great video explaining all the settings for what he has on one of his setup charts, and he can explain exactly how he uses his TWA pullback here, how he uses his surge here, and his algo candles. And today I'm actually bullish today. As I say, that price is pushing down, but I'm actually pretty bullish today.
Somebody heard you.
Yeah, it's okay if they hear me now. I'd rather than push it down a little bit more. So then...
Right.
Good morning, Gabby. We have a nice Gabby buy button here. Just be aware there is a red money zone, right above here. So put that down here. I think I'm gonna make the DC a new logo. Yeah. Hey Cloud, have you taken any trades on your newly minted live account yet?
No. Actually, no. A lot. I've taken 2 trades, 2 small trades, but I don't want to trade them. I'm not a fan of it, especially since the rules for my funded futures are a little different. If you blow the live account, they suspend you for 6 months.
Oh,
So
really?
you can't buy any more accounts for 6 months.
Trade like you mean it then.
Yep.
It's interesting to see what we're sitting at right now going into open.
All right, let's see here. Make sure we don't show that. Okay, we got 3 minutes till open. That's a huge, okay. right, so as we get ready for this open, remember, trade your chart. Okay, one of the things to get used to, especially if you're watching us live on YouTube, is that there is a delay between when we call things out and when they're actually happening on the chart. So it's more important than ever that you read your chart and you trade what you're seeing. I was telling somebody yesterday, you can always use what we're doing as either confirmation of something you're doing or an idea. But as far as entries, please, don't copy trade. Trade your own chart. We got a couple seconds before open. Let's just see how the TPOs went from yellow to off. Let's see if the bulls want to step in. Alright, let's see. And we are open. Okay, and keep it quiet for a little bit. Let's see what's going on here. As you can see on my screen here, there's a Gabby sell button.
There's a monthly level up here at 86. Ooh. Let's see how this if 21,006 can hold or 20,983 can hold.
Alright, now let's see. Calming music in the background. Everybody's just stay calm, see what the chart tells you. Only 3 minutes in. Let's see what we got today. That's good for there. That's good for here.
Easy. Everything is still red though.
Let's see what we got here. We got button.
Let's see if we can bust his money zone or even his monthly level up here at 86. I want that monthly level up there. That's really what I'm eyeing up there, honestly. Got a green, prove it. Let's see if the Bulls can prove that they want to take control this morning.
Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice push. Nice push.
Don't jinx it. Don't jinx it now. Don't jinx it now. Don't jinx it.
I'm with you. I took a little.
Are you long too?
I took it at the top of the right. Oh, when the hell was this? Right here.
Let's see if we
when,
can get a
when they
86.
had the proved sign at the cheap box. I am risk free. Let's see what happens from here.
Let's see if we can flip this money zone though.
Okay, let's see what's going on. I'll just leave that one running. There we go. Got one like. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so if you're just coming on, I'm in along. I think Cloud is in one. I think DC's
I
waiting.
am as well.
Oh,
I'm
DC's in.
I'm as well.
Ooh, we got a buy sign too. Very nice. Let's see. Good morning. I think South is in the long because he said easy long. That just
No, I
Gabby's in
think
long.
I don't know if South is in a long because I thought South was looking for a pair. I think he's just saying that was an easy long to call out.
Oh. Well, I'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Even though I think you're right.
He said he's not trading today.
Yeah.
We'll see. There may be an eval somewhere hidden. Oh no, he said he's not in. Okay, Sal. I thought you had an eval hid tucked away somewhere. All right, so I believe we got 1, 2, No, sorry. Gabby's definitely in long. Her button called it out very nicely.
Oh, jeez. Let's go.
Let's go. 50. Come on. Come on. Get there. There we go. Okay, 50 points hit. I gotta move my other TP. I'm moving up. I'm getting it out of the way. I'm going up to 21,200. For now.
If you can calm down. I don't think she will, but I think she could.
Let's see, 52. Where would 52 be? About 20. Yeah, it's alright. I got 20 bucks of risk left on the table. Yeah, South, we're on, I think we're seeing the same thing. I see wait, my box. Hold on, let me shift something over. Set that globally. Is it 52? Mine's at 60. Really? Okay. Would that be 70 would be where? Here. Let's see, where do I like my invalidation to be? Yeah, I like my target at 220. My target at 200, right where you see this red line. If we get there, you know, I have no idea, but yeah. If we get above 145 and stay, I'll move my TP up higher.
That would be amazing.
I want us to break this right here, though.
So while, you know, I'm managing this trade, I'll just show everybody why I entered long. And this is a really good one to see the mix between the different indicators. So you can see the surge here. Well, first you see the 4 hour forecaster. We're in the cheap box, so I'm looking long first. Yes, understanding there is, you know, red algo candles and red money zone here, but on my other chart, I can see that the TPO is not yellow or red, so that gives me, you know, a little bit of confidence. Then, IVDs are off, so they can go either way. However, the strict candle is turned on, so that's a good thing. If you look here, you can see the TWA pullback was right at the bottom with this matching with the surge, and if you look at the probability oscillator, you had two green lines at the time. So that probability was, we could head up. That's how I read it. Then I got that proved it sign. I went in. There's also in there. There's a Gabby button in there as well. It's just hidden underneath these things. So I went in, got risk free. While in the trade, got the buy button. Took second TP at 50 points, and let's see if it can give us the next leg. Cloud, you might want to lower that.
That's not me.
Oh.
I think that's DC listening to Top Step TV. That's not me.
I don't want to get hit with a strike.
Yeah.
No strikes here. No strikes here.
Let's go.
Let's see if this multi-level hold again. 2186.
60, that's fine. Let's see what we got on this one. So IVDs are green, background is off though, so. This one has it at 67. This one has it at where? 67.
I think we're coming down a little bit.
I'm okay with moving it up to 67. Let's see on this. Oh, I think I'm going to be out. Yep, I'm out.
Yeah, out here too. Let's see if we can get another trade or what's going on.
All right, we got a little bit more room down. Let's see what happens here. We have news at 10 o'clock, everybody. So just be patient, be patient, be patient. Don't force anything, don't rush anything. News in 13 minutes. The news we have in 13 minutes is what's today? Let me go to. Oh, we don't have any more news today. It's a Fed speaker. I still feel like that 10 o'clock is going to give us what we're waiting for. Also, keep in mind, tomorrow CPI. Bullish money zone right at VWAP, top of the cheap box on both auto and small setting.
Okay.
Let's see if we can hold up here. Let's see if we can get back above 86. Let's see if we can get back above 86. I don't think I want to. Let's see. We are ranging on the TPOs right here, right in a 1 minute money zone. New 4 hour and 10 minutes. There's a lot of support areas down here between 50 and 21,000 flat.
I can wait another 9 minutes. I like the long I took.
Ooh, red background potentially printing.
Let's see here.
Let's go. Push down, push down, push down. Let's see if we can get another opportunity.
Sell button print.
Well, let's see what NVIDIA and everybody else is doing right now. NVIDIA is taking a dump right now. Golly. Meta's taking a dump. Amazon is, yeah, okay. Gotta kind of wait a little bit. You might want to go down to London Lows, man.
50 points hit for me here.
So I take it he's short.
Exactly.
A little bit, a little bit. I, I, I really didn't like it how we failed to go past the high that we created by the news with the volume at the open. let's let's see. This is the area where we see if we have follow through, or it will be like ping ponging again.
We have CPI tomorrow. I think that's a very important data read for interest rate cuts.
Yeah, indeed.
Dumping. I think what's going on in this London low down here. Nvidia is dumping, Meta's dumping, Microsoft is dumping.
I would hope for it to break it. 50 more points. That's like with an 80 out of 26. That's like child's play for London. For New York. There wasn't any other entry to take it on other accounts, but
New 4 hour in 30 seconds. Right here is multi-level. Let's see what happens.
Okay, 4 hour opened. This 960 to 940 area is very important. If we break that one, ouches. And if we hold it, Cloud will be so happy.
Hold what level?
960 to 940.
Okay.
You're long already, I guess.
I learned from DC, man. But no, this is a scalp. I mean, this is another 5 micro trade. I'm just looking.
You gotta prove it. I'll be right back.
I'm trying to see if I can like. Is for me. I mean, I don't like this trade. One, it was at a level I didn't really wait for confirmation. I like my entry is 70 actually. Yeah, 70.5 to be exact. But the reason why,
Very
like the
nice.
reason why I don't really like it per se, because we didn't really test the cheat box. I wanted us to come. Shoot. I wanted us to come down a little bit more. I'm gonna move. Some up. We need to get above the weekly open up here, though. If we can't get above weekly open, then we're coming back down.
This is the level that I would expect to
To reject,
hold
right?
us for the beginning. Yes, for this leg. If we go higher, then the bulls have a little bit of hope. But I would look for a rejection first at this level.
Okay, I'm back.
I remember break even. I took one shrimp. I remember break even on the rest. We need above that weekly open up there. I don't know if it wants to get above there. This is where I wanted to take my first short of the session at 9:56, right at the weekly open. I can't take a short now because I'm already in this long, and I'm kind of convinced that the longs could work out short term right now. Do we want to try something risky? Is anybody feeling kind of risky? I'm feeling kind of like, let's get some. I'm looking at possible Boeing calls actually. Weekly calls 120. 172s. A little risky as we wait and play Nasdaq. I'm already up
Oh, let's
2%.
go.
I'm already up
Let's
2% on
go.
those Boeing calls. Once I get to 10% on the Boeing calls, I'm gonna take my first trim. Once I get to 20%, I'm gonna take another trim. After that, I'm gonna leave the rest to run. Now, usually for me, it's like once I'm in a trade and I don't want to trim or don't want to look at it no more, I switch to options. Let's see. I really want to take Amazon, but I needed to come down. Nvidia is looking juicy for a long right now, actually. Let's see what the premium is looking like on Nvidia. Ooh, let's go for the 136s. We got a little bit of money to burn, don't we? Let's go for the 136 calls for this week. Now, the reason why I'm playing Nvidia is because I'm thinking Nasdaq can continue making his leg up, and I'm thinking Nvidia can at least get above this previous daily low. Now, Nvidia, if Nvidia fails and breaks below the previous weekly low, I'm gonna close these calls on Nvidia because these are scalps, and I don't want to, and I only want to risk maybe 10%, 15% on these weekly contracts. I normally go for like months, 3-6 months, a year out. But I'm trying a new strategy this year while I play Nasdaq.
Oh,
Let's go.
let's go. Let's go. Man,
Nvidia's up 2% right now, 1%. Okay, I'm break even. I got too excited.
Looks like New York is ranging again so far.
yeah.
Hey,
This time I'm on the bull side. I'm on the bull
Come on, let's
pink team.
go. Let's go. Whatever y'all do, ignore DC, man. DC wants shorts, man. DC wants the market and the world to crash. Like, I want to cure world hunger. Let's go longs. What is Adam talking about? Oh, we break and hold 2140, and we are good to go. If 2140 doesn't break and hold, you want longs, and you have to wait. Let's go 2140. Okay. Oh, we're already above 2140.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at Nvidia. Let's go Nvidia. Let's Nasdaq keep pushing. Right now, we're running into a strong wall on Nasdaq. This is the 1 minute The 1 minute bearish money zone. This is a bearish money zone. So if you are in the long, I'm gonna do something which I try not to, which I didn't want to do this year, but I'm gonna move my stop losses up on half of my position that's remaining. I'm only down 1% on the video. I'm gonna keep bowling for a while, I think, or at least for the end of the week. Come on, Nasdaq. Don't make me look like this. You're embarrassing me for everybody. Come on, keep going up, Nasdaq. Come on, Nvidia. Nvidia failed to close above the previous daily low. You gotta give it a little bit more time. If Nvidia can, like I'm watching the video like a hawk right now, and also ES is also approaching the 1 minute money zone. Nvidia is looking like it wants to test this previous weekly low right here. I'm gonna wait to see if we can get a close under that before I close out of my calls.
Oh,
But
man.
What happened?
I forgot to leave a runner. Ah, crap. Wrong setting.
Rookie mistake.
That stinks.
Let's go, Nasdaq.
That
How many points
stinks.
after my entry? Almost. That's 100 points. Come on. That's 100 points. DC gave you guys 100 points. I gave you guys 100 points.
Yeah,
What more do you want?
I caught a 100-point long from the Prove It down here. Let's go, man. Let's go. Hey, first 100 points. Nice. He called it on his own.
Who said it?
See that?
Michael?
Mike. Yep. Oh, can't tell that. Let's add that. There we go. There we go. That's what that indicator access can get you. You know,
Look at Meta pushing.
Whew. Cloud and I stumbled upon the formula
Look at Apple. Oh my God, let's go. Come on.
to improve your trading. First, you want to see the live calls. Second, you want to debrief, meaning you definitely want to hit up the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, you should join. You want to hit up the Discord to do a debrief of your trading day. Right?
God,
I'm in there.
Oh
Yeah,
my
it's either
God, we are
me,
winning.
Cloud, DC. Dude, we're flying. We're like, we got to come back to Earth for a little bit, but we're absolutely flying from here. Then you want to do the debrief, and then you want to post your trades so we can all take a look at it. The community
what
can
was
take
that?
a look at it. That told you. That's a little breather. This is the market, man.
I'm gonna be done for the day. I think after this, man. Like, hey, if I get stopped out of this, I might be done. I love this. This is a good day for today.
I mean, if you,
Where do I want to put my stop loss? Yeah, I'm put my stop.
I mean,
loss.
DC called it out. It's a ping pong day. 100 points down, 100 points up, 110 points down, 100 points up. I think DC is about to get ready for another short soon.
I know. That's why he's not talking right now.
Yeah, I don't know.
Cause he doesn't want us to make money. I'm down 20% on those Boeing calls. I'm gonna keep them though. You want to keep them. I'm down 20% right now. A little red is not bad. A little red is not bad. I did. Okay. So I actually. I was wondering what my contract size. So I already. So when I do my options, because I don't watch it often, I already have automatic brackets set up. So it automatically trims at 10%, 20%, and then and then leaves runners. Um, right now I have two contracts left. I'm from Boeing. I'm down 21% on that. I have my full size position on Nvidia. I'm down 1.5% on that one. I'm still looking for Nvidia to get a strong close above its previous daily low. I really feel like if we can get a strong close above that low, I think Nasdaq can continue to make a leg up and can actually make a new high. Like look at Apple. Look at Google. Like Meta's looking like it wants to make a recovery right now. Amazon is looking kind of bullish right now. Microsoft is looking kind of bullish right. Oh no, hold on, let me not yet for Microsoft. Looking at Nvidia above that previous daily low. Let's see if we can get a strong close on a 5-minute candle.
What's here that it's reacting here? What is here? What's the ATR again?
20.
And TPOs are green too. Nice.
All right, you guys. All right, you guys. Let's see if we can get back into the expensive box. If we were to look at the bigger time frames, oh, we are getting kind of toppy here actually. On a 5-minute. Oh, We could short speed. Look at the 5 and the 15 minute on the RSI. Look at the pullbacks as well too. Ooh. I wonder if Nasdaq wants to come down and if it wants to stop me out and then make a new high. Let's see.
No, look at that. We got a special guest. Let's go here. Hey, Adam.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yep.
Yep.
I got my headset on this time. So how's the echo?
Here we go. We can actually
Go
hear.
Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, so just give you a market outlook for the rest of the day. We're looking for price to get above the 120. You can see the rejection we just had, but I'm looking for it to break, hopefully, but until 120 does break, then it's like you guys talked about, it can just be a ping pong battle. But I'm still in the long, and my TP is at 21,340.
Only.
Only? Yeah, only that amount. Yep. So we're looking for 0.40 to hold. That would be number one. So as we're heading back down for this retest of 0.40, we're looking for that to hold, to prove to us that 120 will have a chance to break. And if 0.40 holds, we look for it to come back up to 120. And once 120 breaks, then we're going up to 340 area. That's what I got on the outlook, the market outlook today, Mr. Moji.
That's good. All right. That's good. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely. I like what DC said today. It's a ping pong day, but I'll play on the Bulls team today because I just see it better today.
Let's go.
Let's see.
I will tell you that I said yesterday was very similar to what we had on Friday. Today's not like that. Today's a whole different day, and it looks very good, very, very good for the longs. Just need 0.40 to hold. We're here at 0.35 now, so I'm excited for what this type of day could bring for the Bulls. I've been waiting all week, since last week for this. So let's see if 0.40 can hold here. This is the retest we were just talking about. And as long as 0.40 holds, then we're heading right back up to the 120 area. If you guys see 0.40 break down, then, it's just another consolidation basically day. And like DC said, ping pong away.
That's right. Ping pong.
Have a good one, guys.
All right. Thanks, Adam.
Thanks, Adam.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
All right. So now you can expect Adam to come on anywhere between the 10 to 10:30 time frame to give his outlook on the charts, what he's seeing, where his targets are. And then soon, what do we got going on right now? Let's see. I think Cloud, did you secure the 100? Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm managing my options now. I may have to close the
Okay.
video for a loss. I'm gonna have to close the video for a loss. Let's see here. I'm waiting.
And DC, are you in a trade right now, or you're just watching?
I'm watching, trying to This is coming to my long entry here, but since we're ping-ponging, I'm very reluctant to take it in the middle of the zone.
Okay.
Not only are we ping ponging, we're right here. We're still inside the Bears 1 minute money zone. I'm sorry, Bears 5 minute money zone, and we have yellow TPO candles with a potential red background printing. If we were to just look at just I guess pure candle structures, if you look at a 5 and 15 minute at 21,105, that is to me a very strong resistance. That 21,100 area is a very strong wall. If we can break above it, we can fly. Similar to yesterday. The price action yesterday was crap for the first hour or so. I tried another long around like I think 11 or no around 12 or 1 o'clock, and that thing flew. Like almost 200 points. I'm hoping the
Yeah, I
same thing
remember
happens
that
today,
trade.
just a little sooner though. Like I want to see if I can get another trade for 200 points or more right now.
Okay, yeah, we're ping ponging. The higher time frame, the trend is short, and on the lower time frames,
I mean, we're ranging right now. I'm gonna lock
yeah,
myself off at 15 minutes, but we're ranging. Yeah, a 15-minute lockout for me personally. I
2 minute.
just need to kind of support the 15 minutes. And this is kind of why I love Top Step, especially Top Step X. I'm surprised DC didn't go short at the 86 level or even at the 100 level.
Candles were green. Cannot go short when
Well, hold up,
candles are
wait.
green.
No. Okay, so DC's right. Candles were green, but if you look at something that DC has been playing secretly, and also how I trade too, those money zones, especially on the 5 and 15 minute, when we have such a run up like that, I go to the 5 and 15 minute money zone to see, okay, could we, do we have any hesitation here? And we did, and we came down since then. Like those liquidity zones and money zones are just like fair value gaps.
So basically, you know, don't short on green,
Don't long on red.
don't long on red. Like
Obviously,
that's
that
like
simple.
yes. And then if you see white and or black or another color of your choosing, that's when you get a snack.
Especially when yellow.
Oh yeah, yellow, forget it. Might as well just
Go home.
go for a walk, watch a movie, play some video, do something. Because here's the ping pong. I think the Bears are serving.
Just keep in mind, we do have CPI tomorrow, you guys, and we have. Let's see what earnings we have tomorrow as well too, or today. Tomorrow we have CPI, and then we have the Beige Book at 2 o'clock. Sheesh. Tomorrow we have J.P. Morgan Chase. We have Citigroup, BlackRock, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, and Bank of New York. We also have some numbers at the end of the day. Oh, is that who I think we have on Thursday morning? Oh, we have Taiwan chips on Thursday morning. We have semiconductors on Thursday morning. This is gonna be interesting. What's Nasdaq doing now?
Nothing.
Bunch of nothing.
Let's see. What do I have? Still got 9 minutes left for the lockout.
What's that different? I think the settings are different. One minute.
I'm going to Top Step X, the little trade journal thing that they have there, and it says my most profitable day is Tuesday. And boy, are they right. My most active day is Monday. My least profitable day is I'm sorry. My most active day is Friday. Least profitable day is Monday. And yesterday was supposed to be my least profitable day. I'm excited to see what Wednesday and Thursday brings. My worst trade was 5 micros long. My best trade was 1 mini long. That's funny. All right, what does Nasdaq want to do here at the Asia low? I'm sorry, you guys. Where's Nvidia? When is Nvidia's earnings? I wonder what is happening with this stock right now. Nvidia is pushing down. Nvidia is pushing down. Nvidia is about to approach its previous monthly low. At that point, I should have taken a 35% loss on this option.
Let's
All right,
see.
hold on. I'm trying to see this new. I gotta hide these weekly levels. Let's focus on the monthly level. Are we at level down here? Okay, we have a level down here at 983. Oh, I just realized we're still. Oh, we haven't hit the 4 hour yet. I just realized that. Okay, so since we haven't hit the 4 hour, 983 could be a nice area to go long at it if you have patience, or if we can get back above this area of 2106. But for us to get back above 2106, you kind of have to pray that we get it back above 21,027. Or you can wait to see what price happens down here at 20,983. I like that better. I like us coming down and waiting a little bit.
Okay, we're back down here. Now what?
I'm still locked out, so I can't take a trade. But come on, Nasdaq, what do you want to do here? All right, so I'm looking at both ES and YM right now. I'm trying to see if I get an idea of how Nasdaq could potentially perform within the next hour or so. So for ES right now, we're hovering above the previous daily high. For YM, we're hovering above the Asia high, and for Nasdaq, we're like hovering above the previous daily close and the previous monthly low as well too. That's about 20 points down for Nasdaq. So it's kind of like let's just sit back and let's be a little patient here. All right, let's see what Nasdaq wants to do down here. All right, we are below the previous daily high on ES. We just hit the previous daily close on Nasdaq. Let's see if we can get a bounce, a stronger bounce. Like a stronger bounce. I want an even stronger bounce.
Let me see some buyers on the trigger candles coming in.
30 points. 30 points. And the reason why I took that trade was because we were in the cheap box, and it was also the previous daily close on Nasdaq, and ES also had a Nasdaq also had a level, and so did YM. YM had that the Asia high. ES had the previous daily high, and also Asia low. I like this trade a lot. Approaching 50 points. Mm. That's a 50 burger right there. 50 points, 50 points. I'm in the runners. Stop loss at that monthly is at the monthly level of 983. I really want us to get back above 21,006. And look at Nvidia. Nvidia hit their previous monthly low and bounce. I'm still in those, but I'm getting hammered right now. I'm down 30%. Nasdaq is at this at the Asia low right here. Let's see if we can hold it. DCU long.
Not yet, not yet.
Oh, I know what you're waiting for, DC.
What?
See if we can see if we can get back above 21,007, right?
Yep.
Oh, you gotta be long now, man.
Let's go.
Are you?
Watching.
Come on, join the party. Don't watch. Join the party. Mm. But
Yeah, I think we're gonna be stuck around here for a little bit.
DC, where's the PLC, man?
Didn't move from 40 area. That's another indication that we are ping-ponging. There you go, come on.
You sure?
I am short. But I don't like today.
I'm about to join you. Trying to see if I can get risk free here.
Ooh, Mo joined finally. Yesterday he joined the Bears late also.
Just can't fight the evidence.
Right?
The evidence is
Overwhelming.
mhm. I mean, you have lower high, lower high, lower high. I don't know what else.
To do, right?
Yeah. Oh, did I do it again? I did it again. I'm risk free and out because I got
Brackets.
this stupid
Come
brackets
on,
wrong.
man.
What the heck is going on today? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You know what? That's okay. I'm not gonna push my luck.
Come on, Cloud. Bottom ticket for us one more time, man.
Yeah, I'm good for today. I don't want to trade anymore. Alright, so just a quick recap. I was looking for longs today. I caught this one here at the open. Then I caught this one here about around 10 o'clock. I did not take this one here because why didn't I take this one? Oh, I didn't take this one here because all the probability oscillators were red, and you can see we just kept making lower high after lower high. So now if you played the other way, if you're playing bearish ping pong, you had a short here, you had a short here, and then you had another one here.
There you go. Aren't they beautiful?
Yep.
Okay, done on this account also. Let's move to another one if I still can. Come on, one more. Still, Cloud got more points than I did today, but I had much less trades. I'm at 175, 200, almost 250 for the day.
Wow. Yeah, I'm actually 100.
4 trades.
Man, you got 50 points more than I did, and one more trade than I did. No, I had one more trade than you did. That's not good.
Here's something to aim for, right?
Yep. Yeah, 200 and, what? 250 points, 4 trades. I think that's a good goal for 2025.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
2 of them I called. One of them you guessed. And one of them, which was a loser, I didn't say anything.
I mean, it was easy to see the short though. I mean, as soon as I let me see. This was the open, right? Yeah. So I think it was like right here,
Yeah, yeah.
and it was a great area too on the 4 hour because we were right above the expensive box.
Exactly. If you guys watching the YouTube, you can just check out my channel. The layout is purposely built to see the easier trade to take.
Yep. And again, just click on. I'll put on the link again in the chat. It's also on the YouTube channel. Click on that link. Go to. Why is this not typing? Go to Discord. You're gonna see DC's channel. It says DC Setup. He has a great video explaining the why behind what he has on the chart and how to use it, the rules and everything. Whoa. It's not what I want to do. Hold on, let me just take that out.
And let me say it again. If 940 breaks and we can stay below it, you have almost 200 points of opportunity until the next stopping point. But this is the iffy area of the day.
We are heading down.
Watching the 15-minute chart or the 30 even, we could have definitely could do without that stupid bullish candle in the middle, which gave Cloud his 120-point trade.
This was a nice easy short right here. Hit the money zone. Couldn't flip it. That was it.
A+ setup.
Yep, it's right there. I'll circle it for everybody to see so you have an idea when you go to DC's channel just how great of a setup it is. You have that there. You have this, this here. Don't worry about that. That's all red, so that kind of gives you probability. And then you have this here. And there we went.
Yep.
Beautiful.
And since we're on YouTube and just between us, for A plus setup for like that was like for me like a 5 minutes position.
Yeah, wow. So you guys can do the math. That's from.
And I took first TP at 25 points with 3 minis, and then 50 points with 1 mini, and let's go.
Well, we won't see DC for the rest of the year, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this.
Gem dropping session.
That was his year. He'll be back in next gen. No, I'm just kidding. He'll be back. Yeah. So which indicator? So let's see. Let's answer some questions now. Can someone explain how the indicator works? So if you're looking on my chart here, I have 3 different indicators. So if you want to know how this one, the surge, works, come to the Discord. If you want to know how the probability oscillator works or the TWA pullback, if you want to know how any of them work, we have a free portion of the Discord, and then you can ask about any one that you saw today, and we can give you, some explanation. You can also see videos on it. We have videos on all of these indicators in different trader setups that you can look at, you can review, you can ask questions, and then if it's something that could work for you, just click on that link I posted, and then we can take it from there. But you can also get to the Discord from that link. No problem. Yeah, we are dropping like a.
Yep,
Rocks and
100
rocks.
points hit on the last mini, and I'm done.
For the year.
For the foreseeable 12 hours. Let me just mark up this trade, post it in the Discord, because it's a doozy. It's a very good setup. Entry was 010. 010, okay, 01050, okay. Cloud must hate me for being right 2nd day in a row.
No, I made my money, so I'm not mad.
Ooh la la.
Man,
What
we
did I
dropped
say about 940 if it breaks?
940 breaks. This is the moment you don't buy the dips.
Nope, 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 no.
If you keep buying the dips, you're gonna keep buying them all the way down. Okay, all right. So it's 11:05. We're gonna be probably another 10 minutes or so left in the stream. Guys, we're in for a treat today. You saw A++ setup based off a DC setup. I circled them here so you could see it. I think it was a 100 pointer. Yeah.
Well, it's still going, but I
Yeah.
when I'm
It's
doing
still
videos,
going.
100 points is enough.
Yeah. It's still going, you know. How do we say it? As long as you're comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, like, and usually around that 100 point mark, depending on what you're trading, your contract sizing. That's what in TWA, that's kind of what we shoot for. That's our goals. That's kind of how we measure things. Not too shabby. Oh, look at that Gabby sell button all the way up here, right where that oh, look at how beautiful that is. Bing, boom, bang. Oh, I can even take out some of the other stuff so it's a little more clear. Take out that one stays. That can stay. Take out those. Yeah, take it nice so you can see it. So nice. Let's see how NVIDIA's doing. NVIDIA is now NVIDIA's cheap and then just broke below the cheap box. Back to 131 again. This is where it. Okay. Okay. All right, so it's about that time. It's 11:10. I'm done for the day. I don't need to trade anymore today. Again, just a quick recap. You can see a beautiful DC setup right here. If you were looking for the shorts, if you were looking for longs, you had since open 1, 2, possibly three opportunities to get some points going long. But the shorts look like they gave the most reward. Because that's 100 points here. That's about, where's that? That's 90. Yeah,
I'm a lot
so
happier now. I'm a lot happier.
about 200 points in shorts. There's about 200 points in longs. So we've been ping-ponging back and forth.
You bottom ticked it again, Cloud?
Of course he did.
I'm done. It's my last trade. Yeah. I did bottom ticket.
Yeah. You can
I
see it
didn't go
right
as
there.
heavy as DC with his 5 minis. Well, I guess you could say I went heavier because I'm on 5 accounts, but technically not as heavy as he did on 5. I'm locking myself out. Hold on, question. If I'm in a trade and I'm in profit, I lock myself out. Does it lock me out of that trade?
Yeah, it liquidates
No.
it.
Yeah?
No, it does. Once you
Yeah,
locked out, any open
yeah,
positions, working
yeah,
positions will be automatically flattened and canceled, and any
yeah,
copy trade following will be exited.
yeah. So you don't want to lock out.
Oh.
What you want to do is you just want to, like, because you could keep it open on your phone, right? And just put your
Mm-mm,
stop
mm-mm,
somewhere
mm-mm,
that you're
mm-mm, mm-mm,
comfortable.
mm-mm, mm-mm. That's why I like Top Step right now because I don't want to overtrade anymore.
No, no, no. I'm not saying trade from your phone because it sucks trading. Let me rephrase that. So this way, you can, if you want to look at it, you can look at it on your phone. I would not trade Top Step on your phone because it's not easy to enter trades there. So if you're gonna if you want to be out, just take the profit and lock out. If you want to let it run, just put your stop where you're comfortable, and then put your TP where you want it, and see if you can get there.
Discipline is the key. Discipline is the name of the game this calendar year. Discipline, 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 discipline. I'm going to. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I want to go flat though, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. But I definitely do want to go flat.
Yeah, and
Yeah,
that
I
goes for
definitely want.
anybody who's listening out there. If I don't trade on my phone, I only trade on either a laptop or like my computer. The reason being is I don't want to be on the charts all day long. I like to trade in the morning, and if I can get the points I need in the morning, great. 2 hours, call it a day. No, we're heading down.
Well, flatten me out then. If we gonna head down, man, just go ahead and flatten me out. God, really, guys.
My low of the day is 800, 2,800. That's what I have.
Why do I have a level on the micros, but don't have a level on the minis? What is this level?
So it all depends on how we're trading. So if it's a normal for TWA trading, right? We tend to take profit at a certain amount of points, right? It's different for everybody. Um, Unless you're scalping and then you just wanted it for a certain amount of points. Like I think Cloud likes to go for 20. I like to go for 20. DC between 20
Lately, I
ish.
do go for 20, but I have actually stopped taking trims on a lot of trades at 20 points. Um, I've been taking my first trim at 50 points, believe it or not, nowadays. 20 points is where I go to break even. I'm trying something new. I'm trying to reduce my sizing up and hold for longer. You know, so if you ever hear me, it really depends on how heavy I am. The heavier I am, I'm taking a trim at 20 points. I don't care what the chart is telling me. If I'm light, 5, 10 micros, 20 points, it's not really enough for me to be happy about. And we're like hugging this monthly level at 901. I do I want to move? I'm at break even. I don't really care. I mean, it's about 20 points down from here. So whatever happens, happens.
Yeah, so all depends on, just like Cloud was saying. Uh, it's like whatever your comfort level is. I like to trim and hold for, let's just call it 100 points, just an easy number. Um, if I am scalping, like I'm talking about 2+ minis, then I have a set spot um, to. It depends what I'm doing. If it's an area where I feel comfortable letting it run, I'll trim off like 1 mini and let the other one run. If it's a spot where I'm not feeling comfortable, I'll just take it at what I call a TP1, anywhere from 7 to 20 points, and just end the trade there and just look to go in if I want a runner at smaller contracts.
I'm looking at what ES is doing now. I don't want to be that person, but it seems like we're forming a pennant on the 5 minute on Nasdaq.
A what?
A pen. I know he's like, what the hell is that? A pennant. It's a think of like a triangle, you know. But
Oh man, are you going back into your geometric shapes?
Your geometry is actually my favorite mathematical subject.
Yeah.
Actually. It's the most interesting subject one of the most
Obviously.
interesting subjects in math.
Yeah. Okay. So you know what? Go ahead. Tell them what it's making, and you just let me know. And then after you do that, you just say, "Mo, looking like we're going green or red." Then I'm good. Then I'll follow you.
Kind of bullish, but we have to break above like 27. It's looking kind of bullish, but we gotta break 27. There is a downward trend that is also hugging as well too. So a pennant is a downward trend and an upward trend that is hugging. So that's why it's a pennant.
We laugh because I was never taught any of that when I was trading wise, right? I only know what was taught to me in the TWA style and what I learned from like DC and Adam and other people. So the pennant stuff I never heard of. So if you know, excuse my ignorance, but I when I hear about it.
Hey, trust me. I'm not, you know me. The only shapes I really care about is double tops, double bottoms, triple top, triple bottoms. What's the W pattern called again? I'm sorry, head and shoulders or inverse head and shoulders. Those are the only patterns I care about because it's pretty much showing you that hey, one of my levels had to be a monthly or key level is actually, you know, holding, and I see two lows being tested off this level. That second low, I might take a long off that level. That's a double bottom.
See, when you explain it like that with the levels, I get it because I can picture it. When it's just the name of the pattern, I got no context of it. But when you say, "Oh, it hit my level twice," I'm like, "Oh, I know exactly what he's talking about." Because when you say head and shoulders, bro, the first thing that comes to my mind is the shampoo.
yo, Mo.
I'm dead serious. We should be sponsored by Head and Shoulders, right?
Left my favorite time of the market for the morning. 11 minutes left. I kind of want us to come down a little bit so that at 11:30 we can get a pump up. Don't go down too much. Don't go down. Oh, okay. We can't go lower than 885. 885 is where I'm going to be stopped out at. Hold on, you guys. I gotta make a phone call.
Let's see. Any other questions? Now's the perfect time. Any questions you have, we as much as we can answer, we'll answer here. Let's see.
Ooh.
Nice push up
Ooh.
right there. That might be copyright infringement. All right, let's see.
What is?
No, no, I'm trying to make a logo, but that might be copyright infringement if I do that one. Let's change this up a little bit.
I'm gonna have to wait until after 11:30. But I do want to take another long on another account. My goal is to have more points than DC. Not dollars, just more points. DC, how many points did you get collectively today?
I didn't do the final, but with that 100, I think I'm close to 300.
Okay. I already got more points than you. I'm happy. Me and DC, our battle is always gonna be points. Always gonna be points. Oh, buy sign potentially printing. Let's go. It's just a friendly competition me and DC have.
I'm just
I've been
along,
losing
along for the
lately because
ride.
I've been going long, and DC's been going short and catching crazy trades short, and I've just been.
I pick up their scraps they leave at the bottom of the chart.
God, man, it's DC the one who's been killing it, man. It's not even me.
No, it's all right.
It's DC.
Listen, I got both of you on this call, so I'm like, oh, okay. You know what? I'll take a 50-pointer here. I'll take a 75-pointer there. I'm okay. Let's see if we got a question. All right, so we got a question. Yeah, I'll post this. How long of that's a good question. How long have you has everybody here been trading? Cloud, you first. How many years?
7.
7.
Yeah.
DC, about
I mean, with Adam, 3 years, and then a little bit of knowledge before that, but the main one is, yeah.
yeah. And I've been trading. I think I'm sorry. I think I'm going on. I'm going on year 4 with Adam, so that's how long I've been trading. I've only traded with Adam, so about 4 years for me. Has it been 4 years?
I'm waiting to move my stops up.
Yeah. Oh, here's another good question. How long till you became profitable?
For me, it was a cheat code because I traded options in a very sweet market.
And for me, I would say towards the middle of my 3rd year is when I started to become consistent. Meaning getting payouts every like 2 or 3 months. But it took me a while. I have no problem saying it took me a long time because I would go on hot streaks and then I would go on cold streaks. But it took me a while just to start uh, my P&L. So this way, the money I was putting into props, I was getting back plus. So option market. Option is a tough market to trade. Yeah, I mean, Cloud could speak to that. I only trade NQ. I don't trade anything else. My ultimate goal is to really have a trading move move into number one spot. Right now it's 1A, 1A, 1B. Let's see here.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
I think people really like that those 100-point callouts. Let me ask, how many people watching are not in, either don't have the, yeah, same here. Yeah, same here. It's just for me personally, you listen, DC could tell you in private, yeah, Adam could tell you. It took me a while to start to use the knowledge that I had and become more systematic, which has helped me. I think that's what really put it over the top for me. Once I learned how to look at things through probability and as systematic as possible, that was my shift. But back to my question: how many people here are not, either don't have the indicators or are not in the mentorship? We're trading in NQ. We trade NQ futures. That's what you see on that. That's what we trade on the live calls. Oh, nice! Congratulations! Welcome to the club of getting the indicators. Um, yeah, we do call out our trades. Just remember there is a 5 second delay. Okay, there's a 5 second delay. So do not try to copy trade us because you'll be 5 seconds late to that trade. So yes, we do call out trades if we're long, short. Okay, we do our best because we're really trading while we're on here, right? So when we're in it, we try to call it out. But you should know YouTube does have a 5 second delay on anything we call out or anything you see on the screen. Okay.
It's 11:30. Let's see what happens here.
Was it 40? Let me just double check myself. I don't remember how long. Let's see here. Double check. It's 2022. Okay. So yeah, I'm on 3 years. Yeah, that's kind of what we're that's kind of what we do here at TWA. The indicators are great. They are great, but remember, they're there to help you trade. So to have other people in the community not only use them but willing to share how they use them, and if any style fits your style, you can always tweak it based on what you like to see and everything like that. And that's where the Discord and the community really can help out, especially after like this trading session, the little debriefs and stuff like that. And then in the chat rooms, it goes over it. People drop videos. I'm talking about members and Adam as well. They drop videos all the time, how to use it, how to put them together. So it's a very nice community, and we're very supportive of each other. Some people are like, sometimes what I love about the community is like someone will find a tweak of a setting, right? Which is the smallest tweak makes the biggest difference. So, when anybody who uses the Discord and the mentorship and the indicators, you can learn from everybody. All right, so it's 11:30. We ran a little bit over time. Thank you, DC. Thank you, Cloud, for being here today. Hopefully, we'll see everybody again tomorrow. Let me see what you guys think about. So if you have any more questions, you can hop on the Discord. You can go to the free chat, pop your questions in there. And until then, Cloud.
Yep.
DC, thank you so much for trading today. Anything you want to say in closing, guys? Cloud?
No, that's it for me, man.
Okay. DC?
Just stay disciplined, trade the trade, wait for your setup in which you have backtested and in which you have complete confidence.
Exactly. And with that, I say everyone, you have a great rest of your day. As always, trade your chart. We'll be on Discord for a little bit right after this live call for any questions, any debriefs. Thank you again, and we'll see everybody tomorrow. Take care.
Bye, guys.